This episode brings us to a place that's home to some killer camp spots, awesome beaches and some hard sandy full driving. This is South Australia's YORKE Peninsula. Let's get into it. As every good trip should, we started out with some full driving. We headed to Cape Elizabeth and got straight into it.
Should we head into the dunes?
We then headed down to Balgowan to set up camp.
Hi guys, rolled up at camp before. We've just cooked up, had some nice dinner. Lucky for Reese because it's super windy, he brought his barbecue. So we had some nice sausages, some steaks. Won't say they were good, but we got the camp set up, got the rooftop tent out. This is Reese's car, he's just got the swag. Brad's got a tent over there. And yeah, it's super windy, so we got the drone up, getting some drone footage for you guys. We're at Balgowan again, at our favourite camp spot. There's Brad flying the drone. At our favourite camp spot, the view is unreal right now. Apart from the wind, it's pretty good. We've got the King's awning out, and if anyone wants to know, I'll do a quick little review on the King's awning for everyone. $600 I got for it. I paid for it. It was a super good awning. It's been super good. Nothing's wrong with it. It's out, and it'd probably be 30k an hour winds, maybe now. You probably can't hear it because I got new microphones. But yeah, it's super sturdy for a King's product. I only got it because it was cheap. The only problem is it doesn't go all the way to the front of the car. Yeah, we're going to get the drone down. I'm sure you'll see the drone footage now, so let's get into that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
After a warm-up of the cars in the morning, we then headed down to the Balgowan beach.
Alright guys, we just got to Balgone Beach. This beach is pretty mental. As you can see behind you if you pan around, Shayla. Yeah, we've got all our cars lined up for a nice photo on the cliff. It's a pretty nice beach. It goes all the way down there. You get on over there, it's not too soft. You can get in there until we drive with ease. So it's awesome beach though, it looks really pretty. We got Reese with his shirt off. Give us a flex, Reese! Yeah! Not you, Brad. There's another beach we're going to go check out over there, and Matt might go get some lunch at the kiosk, but we might chill out here for a bit. We're going to get some drone shots because I'm obsessed with Brad's drone shots because they're awesome, so you're going to see a lot of them. But yeah, we got the cars lined up, so yeah, it's awesome. Go up,
Malo.
Go.
And decided to keep the cars clean and head on home.